Meet the crew of miniature machines built for big imagination. The red crane truck with its extendable boom lifts a shiny steel beam with ease. Beside it, the bright green crane swings its arm smoothly into position. Every piece is crafted in durable plastic, detailed with real-world tech.
Watch the red crane truck in action. Its smooth, extendable boom rises section by section, locking securely into place with a realistic mechanical look. A swiveling head and
Watch the green crane truck in action. Smooth stop motion lets you see each precise step as the arm swings out to the side. The detailed joints, hazard stripes, and metal
Rolling onto the site, the gray container truck shows off its smooth, realistic motion. 3 axles keep the ride steady while the vibrant blue container stays locked in place on the bed.
Meet the mini construction crew. Precision molded, bright, and ready for work. The red crane truck extends high with a smooth telescoping boom. The green crane swings into action with a rotating arm.
The red crane truck raises its boom and carefully lifts the blue container into the air. It swings over to the waiting flatbed, lowering the load with precision.
Here they are, the crew of compact construction machines. The red crane truck rolls in first, boom folded tight. Beside it, the green crane with its rotating arm joins.
In this miniature construction yard, each truck has a job to do. The red crane truck extends its boom, the green crane swings into place, the container truck rolls in.
Meet the red crane truck with a boom that stretches high to lift heavy loads. Next, the green crane truck, spinning and extending with ease. Our gray container truck hauls big blue cargo where it's needed. And the sturdy gray tow truck.
Meet the crew of mini machines, built tough for big play. The red crane truck lifts high with its extendable boom. The green crane spins and swings with ease. Haul cargo with the container truck or rescue loads with the tow truck. Together,